Good morning once again. Now I will discuss equal matrix. Children, what is equal matrix? Two matrices A and B are called equal, written as A and equal to B, if and only if number 1 A and B are of the same order, that is the number of rows A equal to number of rows in B and number of columns in 4, number of columns in B. Second point, their corresponding elements are equal, that is the entries of A and B in the same positions are equal. Otherwise, the matrix are said to be unequal. And we write the matrix A and B are equal because both are of the same order and their corresponding entries are equal. Reason: 2, 5, 7 minus 4, 2, 5 are first column, first row, and 7, 4 are second row. 2, 5 are first row, 7, minus 4 is second row. 2, 7, 5 minus 4 are columns. Here 2 and 7, 5 minus 4 are columns. And order will be 2 into 2, first row and 2 row and 2 columns. Here it is also 2 second row and second columns. Therefore, A, B are equal. Because entries are equal and order are also equal. Second point, the matrices A 2, 7, 3 minus 6, 0, 5, B 2, 7, 0 minus 6, 3, 5 are not equal because 1, 2th entry of A not equal 1/2 entry of B, even though both matrices A and B are of the same order but entries are not equal. Therefore, both matrices will not equal. Listen: 2, 3, 0, 2, 0, 3, 7 minus 6, 5, 7 minus 6, 5. Only 3 and 0 are not equal. Therefore, matrices are not equal. Now, the matrices X, Y and 2 minus 5 are equal if and only if X equal to 2 and Y equal to minus 5. It is a first column, it is also first column, it is 2 row, okay, 2 into 1, 2 into 1. The matrices are equal if and only if X equal to 2 and Y equal to 5. Children, now I will discuss some special types of matrices. Number 1, row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. For example, 1 minus 2, 7, 6 is a row matrix of order 1 into 4. It is row matrix. And order is 1 into 4. Now, second part is column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called column matrix. For example, 2, 3, 6 is column matrix of order 3 into 1. 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Third point is square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows equal and the number of columns is called the square matrix. This example represents 2 into 2 orders because 2 row and 2 columns. In this first, second and third. 3 row and 3 column 1 2 3, 3 into 3. Therefore, it is a square matrix. In a square matrix, the diagonals from the left top to the right bottom is called principal or leading diagonal, and all elements in all called it are diagonal elements. It is diagonal elements. It is diagonal elements. Okay. In the square matrix, 2 comma minus 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 5. The principal diagonal contains 2 comma minus 5. It is a principal diagonals 4.0 or null matrix. A matrix whose each element is 0 is called a 0 or null matrix because all element has 0 values. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 are all zeros matrix of order 1 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 2 and 2 into 3 respectively. Number 5, identity or unit matrix. A square matrix in which its element or diagonals are 1 elements, all other elements are 0 is called identity or unit matrix. For example, 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 diagonals are 1. Therefore, it is identity or unit matrix. Okay, good David.